Hi guys, today I've decided to make a new bookmark for my diary. Hope you will like the idea. We need 2 strips of paper with dimensions 22 cm to 7 cm and 22 cm to 2 cm. First, fold the biggest strip in half, then measure 1.8 cm from the central crease and draw the line. Later, we will make small cuts from the edge to this line. Now, draw the diagonal line and start to mark every centimeter. Make marks along the line and then along the edge of the paper. These marks determine the width of strips. Now it's time to connect dots and make diagonal cuts. We need to fold these flaps or strips to the central line. Make sure the upper corner of the flap matches the central crease. Fold these strips close to each other. And the last step is to glue any decorative paper to the central part of our bookmark. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in other DIY projects, I invite you to my special channel.